the top and the bottom. Isn't it cute? Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Jen. Today I'm going to make avocado banana Oreo waffles. I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. Some of you guys probably not a fan of avocado, but after you try this, you will change your mind. Let's start making. For the wet ingredients, we need 1 banana, 1 avocado, an egg, and 1 1/4 cup of milk. Banana and the avocado are such a perfect combination together. Add 1 1/4 cup of milk, 1 large egg. Blend them like make a smoothie or puree. For the dry ingredients, we need 1 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons baking powder, 1 tablespoon white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Whisk the dry ingredients together. Pour the wet ingredients in the dry ingredients. Add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix all these ingredients together, make the waffle batter. The batter is ready, let's waffle. Use a cooking spray. Scoop the batter. Now we're gonna put Oreo cookies on the batter. Close it. Around 3 minutes and the waffle is done. The Oreo in the middle is cute. This one we're going a little bit crazy. Gonna put a lot of Oreos. Oh wow, look at this one. The top and the bottom. Isn't it cute? I'm gonna eat it for you. I love them. It can be breakfast or snack. If you are interested about this avocado banana Oreo waffles, give this recipe a try. You won't regret it. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye!